Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. All iPhone owners know the problem. The iPhone storage is always full. iPhone photos and videos use up most of the storage. When the storage is full, most iPhone users make the mistake of buying additional iCloud storage space. This starts at $2.99 per month for 200 GB and ends at an unbelievable $59.99. If you watch this video until the end, you can safely cancel your iCloud subscription afterward because you no longer need it. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you. So feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. You can easily first go and tap on the App Store. And then you can click on Search and search for app Picabox, Cloud Space, and Live TV. With this Picabox app, you can have 1024 GB for free of storage space on your phone to store your photos and videos, regardless of whether you have an iPhone device or a Samsung. Here, tap to download apps. After download, open apps. Tap on allow and tap again on agree. And sign in again with your Google account or Apple ID. Tap on continue. Tap on any of your email address you have to log in. Click next. Here you can select your desired country and tap on done. So we finally managed to get 1024 GB of storage space. Now just click on your profile picture up there to see that you have 1024 GB of free space. Click on this plus to upload your files into this section. Save whatever you like here. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. And then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.